Are you in need of reliable and efficient backhoe services for your new septic tank, field line repair, or other excavation projects? Look no further. Ed Hughes Backhoe Services is your go-to partner for all your earth-moving needs. Ed Hughes has nearly 30 years of experience and knows the ins and outs of handling backhoes with precision and safety, ensuring your project is completed flawlessly. We understand that time is money. You can count on us to be on site as scheduled, and we work diligently to complete your project on time. Whether you're working on commercial, residential, or industrial projects, our backhoe services can handle it all. From trenching and excavating to grading and digging, we've got you covered. Our modern fleet of backhoes and track loaders are equipped with the latest technology, enabling us to tackle even the most challenging tasks efficiently. Safety is our #1 priority. We adhere to the highest safety standards to ensure the well-being of our team, your property, and everyone involved. Your satisfaction is our driving force. We value open communication and work closely with you to understand your specific needs, providing personalized solutions that exceed your expectations. Contact us today for a free quote. Don't let your new septic tank or other excavation projects get delayed. Get started with Ed Hughes Backhoe Services today. Call us at 706-483-1594 to discuss your project requirements and get a free, no obligation quote. Let us be your trusted partner for all your backhoe needs.